Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Derma 1% Hyaluronic Acid Sunscreen Aqua Gel. Recently I did a video on Derma sunscreens where I had compared all of their sunscreens, and a lot of you guys asked me to review this one in detail, and that's why I'm making this video for y'all. So the sunscreen contains an SPF of 50 PA++++, so there are 4 plus signs. Now the amount of plus signs that you see on a sunscreen, it indicates the amount of UVA protection that it gives to your skin. UVA rays are ultraviolet aging rays, and they are very harmful for the skin. Firstly, they can lead to sun tanning, and secondly, they can lead to premature aging on your skin. So the signs of aging like fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, dull skin, dehydrated skin, etc., all of that can start appearing faster on your skin. So if you want to avoid all of that, then you want a good amount of UVA protection from the sun, and this sunscreen gives you an excellent amount of UVA protection. Along with that, it also gives you Uvb protection. It's a broad spectrum sunscreen, so it gives you protection from the UVB rays as well, which are ultraviolet burning rays, and it prevents your skin from burning in the sun. Along with that, it also gives you protection against blue light. Now blue light is light that is emitted out of electronics. Like how I'm facing the camera right now, I have a ring light and a few other lights in front of me. You might be facing your laptop screen or your phone screen, or even the tube light in your house. All of this emits blue light, which is harmful for your eyes and for your skin as well. So this gives you protection against blue light as well. So whether you're exposed to the sun or whether you're indoors exposed to all of these lights, this is going to give you complete sun protection. Now this is suitable for all skin types. It's got hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, which are hydrating for the skin, which makes it amazing for dry skin. Moreover, it's very lightweight. Even though it's a hydrating sunscreen, it's so lightweight, it absorbs into the skin very fast, which makes it perfect for oily skin. And it's fragrance free as well. It's dermat tested, dermat recommended, dermat formulated, so it's suitable for acne prone skin and for sensitive skin as well. So let me show you the texture of this sunscreen. As you can see, it looks like a gel sort of a texture, and once I start blending this, it absorbs so quickly into the skin. And as you can see, it did not even leave any white cast on my skin. So that's how fast absorbing this is, that's how lightweight it is, and that just makes it perfect for the summers as well. And it's a hydrating sunscreen, so you can use it during the winters as well. So basically, like throughout the year, for all skin types, you can keep using this. And the best part is that unlike most of the sunscreens out there, which are either too oily, too greasy, or too matte, this is neither of them. This is non-sticky, non-oily, and it's very comfortable on the skin. It doesn't feel matte or anything like that. It's rather a hydrating sunscreen, so that just makes it the perfect sort of a texture. So because of all of these reasons, because of all of these features, I absolutely love this sunscreen, and this is the best sunscreen that I've ever used till date, and that's why I highly recommend you guys check it out. It's suitable for all skin types. I repeat, it's suitable for all weather conditions, all seasons of the year, and if you try this, you're definitely gonna love it. The formulation is brilliant. It's better than all of the other sunscreens in the market, so I highly recommend you check this out. In case if you want to purchase it, it's available on Dermaco's website, where if you use my coupon code Riya 2022, you'll get a 20% off. Apart from that, you can also shop this from Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart. But I highly recommend you check this sunscreen out. It's gonna be the best sunscreen that you have ever used in your life, I promise. So that was my review on Derma 1% Hyaluronic Acid Sunscreen Aqua Gel. I hope this review was helpful for you all. If it was, then please hit the like button, and also let me know in the comments below if you try the sunscreen out and how it works out for you. Also, if you want me to review any other products, then mention the names in the comment section. I would love to review more products for you guys. Also, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.